Have you ever dreamed of achieving salon-quality nails without leaving the comfort of your own home? Well, if you're tired of paying for expensive manicures or just love the idea of DIY nail art, then the OPI GELement LED Cure Gel Nail Polish System might be the game changer you've been looking for. This kit from OPI promises an easy, professional-grade gel manicure experience with everything you need to create beautiful nails from start to finish. It includes 30 vibrant gel nail polish colors, a base coat, top coat, an LED curing lamp, and all the prep supplies. Plus, it's a vegan formula, ensuring it's both cruelty-free and gentle on your nails. I've had the chance to test out this product for a few weeks, and let me tell you, it definitely lives up to OPI's reputation for quality. The setup is simple. You start by applying the base coat, then the color, and finish it off with the top coat, curing each layer under the LED lamp. The lamp is compact and quick, drying the gel in minutes, and the entire process is smooth and straightforward. No mess, no complicated steps, just a quick, flawless finish. As for the colors, I was impressed by the variety. From soft pastels to rich, bold hues, the color payoff is incredible. Each layer goes on smoothly, and the gel doesn't bubble or streak like some other DIY kits I've tried. When it comes to longevity, my nails lasted well over a week without chipping or fading, which is a huge win for a gel system. Of course, there are some things to keep in mind. While the system is user-friendly, it might take a couple of tries to perfect your technique, especially if you're new to gel nails. The prep work is essential. Cleaning your nails thoroughly before applying the gel helps prevent lifting. Additionally, the removal process is soak-off, which takes a bit of time, but that's pretty standard for gel products. Now, let's talk about the value for money. At first glance, the price might seem high compared to regular nail polishes. But when you consider the quality of the product, the longevity of the manicure, and the fact that you're getting a professional finish at home, it's actually a great deal. The kit includes everything you need, so you won't have to purchase anything separately, making it a solid investment for anyone who regularly does their nails. If you're wondering how this compares to other gel systems on the market, OPI stands out in terms of consistency and color options. While there are less expensive alternatives, many of them don't offer the same level of performance or longevity, which is what sets OPI apart. If you're willing to invest in long-lasting, salon-quality nails, this is a top contender. One thing I did notice was the compact size of the LED lamp. It's easy to store and doesn't take up much space, which is a bonus for anyone with limited counter space. I didn't have to reach out to OPI's customer service, but based on my experience with the brand, they are known for good customer support and responsiveness, should you need any help. If you're looking for a comparable option, but at a lower price point, you might find some more budget-friendly gel kits out there, but they may not come with the same variety of colors or the long-lasting finish that OPI provides. Still, if you're looking for something less expensive but similar in terms of DIY gel nails, it's worth researching alternatives that include the LED lamp and quality gel polishes. So, is the OPI GELement LED Cure Gel Nail Polish System worth it? Absolutely. Whether you're a gel nail pro or a first-time user, this kit is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting to upgrade their at-home manicure game. The colors are gorgeous, the application is easy, and the longevity is impressive. I definitely recommend this to anyone who's serious about DIY nails and looking for that salon-quality finish. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.